hurricane is coming. Hurricane's coming.
Hurricane Milton is continuing to defy odds as a very intense hurricane in the southern Gulf of Mexico.
We now are back to Category 5 hurricane winds of 165 miles an hour.
It is right on track to move into Florida. Still a very powerful hurricane, winds 140 to about 160 on that. That's going to be the fluctuation over the next day or so.
What a time. This is crazy. 2 weeks ago was Helene, and it was just like a tropical storm for here in Gainesville, but like this is completely different. So this is Florida. The red line is the eye. This is the hurricane. And I am right there. That blue dot. I am less than half of the width away. And they're saying that north of the storm is the worst because that's where it flings all the water. So, yeah. And that means it's time to prepare. So yesterday I did my grocery shopping, and then in about 20 minutes I'm going to my last class before the school closes. So yeah. I'm on the way to the Entomology building to pick up my insect collection so that I can work on it during the storm and so that I don't have to wait until next week to pick it up. So I'm in the Entomology building and I'm checking on my spiders, my tarantulas, to make sure they're okay before the storm. So I've got some crickets, and here's one of them. Right there. Yeah. Gator colors too. Blue and orange. Smaller one here. Right there. And that's called a Brazilian black. So yeah, I'm gonna finish getting what these guys need and then I'm gonna be heading out. Alright y'all, excuse my bedhead, but today is the morning after Milton. And outside it looks honestly completely fine. Cars are going, there's no flooding, which I'm surprised by. I thought for sure there would be flooding. But basically, yesterday, the path of the hurricane moved south, so further away from us. And so I was expecting lots of water, because that's what they were saying 2 days ago, is that we would get a lot of water. But then yesterday it just kept moving south, and so we barely got anything. So yeah, I think everybody's safe here in Gainesville. Nothing crazy from what I can see outside my window. No flooding, which is surprising, but I will take it. So yeah, good news. So it's after the hurricane, and about every couple weeks I just get really tired of the dining hall, and I also miss cooking a lot. So I'm on the way to the store to buy steak so that I can cook myself a steak in the dorm. So yeah, it'll be fun. I'll keep you guys posted on that. about that? That's so good. Dining hall's got nothing on this. I'd say that was a success. Today is Thursday, October 3rd, I believe. And I'm out here with my class. We're doing Entomology lab. Basically, it's experimental design. And so you set up traps in this area called NATL, which stands for Natural Area Teaching Laboratory. It's basically this preserve that we have on the edge of campus that we like to collect in. And yeah, so we set up some traps. Now we're just waiting for 45 minutes, and in between that we're collecting. So that's what I'm doing right now. Nothing too exciting so far. We have this very common orange butterfly here in Florida. I believe it's called the Mexican silver spot or something like that. And I'm just seeing a bunch of those. Honeybees. So far, nothing too crazy. And I already have one of those butterflies. So, I got a dragonfly, which is a really cool green color, which is surprising because dragonflies are very hard to catch. It was perched, and I swiped, and it worked. So. I doubt you can see me, but it is like 9:30 on a Friday, and I'm on my way to a collecting event with the Entomology Club. So we're doing some night collecting with light traps, mercury vapor light traps, and I'll show that in a minute. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. So yeah. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday night. It is 10 p.m. and my final collection is due Thursday. And so I'm working on the labels right now. So I collected my last insects today. I'm now working on the labels. This is what my life is looking like. And so this is like the finished collection. But the most important part hasn't been added yet, which is the labels. So these are also my ethanol curations, but I'm pretty proud of how it's looking so far. But everything needs labels, which is taking a lot longer than I expected. So this is what the labels will look like. So anyways, it's 10 p.m. In the morning, I have an exam, so I need to go to bed. But this isn't done yet, so I'm going to be finishing it tomorrow. I think the locality labels are going to take a while. So I'm going to get some rest, take the exam tomorrow, and then get back to it. Alright, y'all. I had my exam this morning. I think it went really well. But now it's time to finally finish this collection. I just need to lock in, finish these locality labels. So, yeah. Okay, so I got my labels printed, and then I had to take a break to eat, but this is what the labels look like. They are tiny, and I need to cut every one of them out and stick them through, stick the pin through each specimen. So I need to put labels on all of these specimens. So all of these specimens, there's only a couple that already have labels from the mini collection, but I need to put labels on all of these. So this is just going to take a while. But anyways, let's do that. And then we're done. And then we're done. Oh my gosh. In case you happen to be watching this soon after it was posted, it's probably Thanksgiving week, and one of the things that happens during Thanksgiving week is Giving Tuesday, where everyone supports their favorite nonprofit. And in case you haven't heard me yap about this on the channel before, Lil Dudes Insect Academy, we're a nonprofit as well, and if you would like to support the future of entomology education, we're always looking for donations. Every bit helps, so head down to the description, make a one-time donation or a recurring donation that would really help us out. That is all that I have for this video, but thank you so much for watching. I will see you all next time, but until then, keep on bugging.